Cost-effective repair. Save money by replacing only the failed PCV valve diaphragm instead of the entire valve cover. Factory compatible. This PCV diaphragm matches the dimensions and function of the original part for reliable fit and performance. Complete kit, includes cover, diaphragm and spring. Trustworthy value, backed by team of engineers and quality control experts in the United States. Ensure fit. To make sure this part fits your exact vehicle, input your make, model and trim level into the garage tool. Top reviews from the United States. Exact fit for my 2009 VW Rabbit with a 2.5L. Like I said in the title, it is the exact fit and replacement for my 2009 VW Rabbit with the 2.5L inline 5-cylinder. That being said, for those who are not mechanically inclined, I recommend having a shop replace the PCV. For those who are mechanically inclined, it is relatively easy to install. I had to break my old PCV to remove it. Take caution to be sure no broken pieces of plastic fall into the engine.